Good morning, student. Let's start chapter Arithmetic Progressions. Exercise 5.3 part 1. In part 1, I will explain few questions from the beginning. Before that, the chapter is based on the formula. First is, see, sum of the first n terms. Sum, okay, means total. Sum of the first n terms of an AP, A plus D, A plus 2D, means it is infinite AP, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. So Sn is equal n upon 2A plus n minus 1 into D. And if it is finite AP, means if last term has a given, there Sn is equal n upon 2A plus L. These two formulas. Now exercise 5.3, first question. Find the sum of the following APs. AP has given, so solution is n 10 terms. So it is A is 2, D is 7 minus 2, 5, n is 10, 10 terms means n is 10, and Sn we have to find out. So formula of Sn equal n upon 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute this value in this formula and calculate it. It is coming 245. The sum of this AP is, terms of this AP is 245. Next question is, next AP has given this one. AP is this, where A is equal minus 37, D is equal minus 33, minus of minus 37, it is 4. And N is equal to 12 terms. N is 12. We have to find out Sn. Sn equal n upon 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Again substitute this value in this formula, and it is coming minus 180. It is the sum. Next question is, AP is this one of 100 terms. A is 0.6, D is 1.7, minus 0.6. It is, and n is equal to 100. So again substitute this value and s 100, that is sum of 100 terms is 5505. Next is 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12 and 1 upon 10 and 11 terms. Now again A, D, 1 upon 12 minus 1 upon 15, it is 1 upon 60, and now n is equal to 11, first 11 terms. N is 11, Sn we have to find out. Now Sn equal n upon 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute this value, calculation easily you can do it. So it is coming 33 upon 20. So sum of 11 terms is 33 upon 20. Next question is question number 2. Find the sum of given below. It is the finite AP. Last term has given. So for the last term where it has given, in either an has given, so you can take in this way or the another way. Two method I have shown here. So a plus n minus 1 into D, from there is equal to last term 84. From here you find out n. When you will get n, then Sn is equal n upon 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute this value in this formula and it is coming 1046.5. Same type of question, another method I have shown here. First term and last term has given. So this one we can do it in the formula of Sn is equal to A plus n upon 2A plus n. N is a 13 term. First we have to find out n, then Sn. This formula you have to follow and it is 286. Understood it? Next is another finite AP. So it is AP, first term D is minus 8, minus of minus 5, it is minus 3, and it is n is, you have to find out first, then you will get Sn. So how many terms are there? First to find out here. an is equal, an is this one last time, an is equal a plus n minus 1 into t is equal to minus 230. Now from here n is equal to 76 we have got. Now this n, value of n you substitute here, Sn is equal to 76 upon 2, a plus an, a is minus 5 and an is equal minus 230. You substitute this value, it is 38 into minus 235, it is minus 8930. Question number 3, find the AP given that A, D, AN has given, find N and Sn. Same type of question. First you find the, from these given terms you find out An is equal to, An has given 50. So from given terms we have two formulas, An and Sn. So An has given, so that formula you have to write. An is equal a plus n minus 1 into t is equal to 50. Here substitute the value and n minus 1 is equal to 45 upon 3 it is coming. So n is equal to 16. Once you have got n, then substitute the value of Sn. Substitute the value of n in the formula of Sn. N upon 2, a plus an, n is 16 upon 2, a plus an upon 2. So it is coming 440. Given a is equal to 7. In second part, a13 is equal to 35. So a13 is a formula. So this a13 is equal a plus 12d. n minus 1 matlab it is 12. A plus 12d is equal to 35. So a is 7 plus 12d is equal to 35, d is equal to 7 upon 3. Now Sn is equal n upon 2, a plus a13. So it is 13 upon 2 and its value is 35, it is 7. It is coming 273. Next question. A12 is 37. Has given, we have to find out d is equal to 3, find out a and s12. Now a12 has given, it is the formula, a12 is equal to a plus 11d. 12 means n minus 1d. So 12 minus 1, 11d is equal to given 37. Now you substitute the value of d here, a plus 33 is equal 37. So a is equal to 4. Sn is equal to, now again in formula this one you substitute this value, Sn is equal to 246. So a and Sn we have got it. Next is given a3 is equal to 15, s10 is equal to 125. s10 has given, so this formula we have to use. And a3 has given, so this one another formula. So two formula we can get it here. Now a3 is 15, a plus 2d is equal 15, one equation. Another one, s10 is equal 125. s10 is equal n upon 2, 10 means 10 upon 2 plus 2a plus 9d is equal 125. Now here it is 5, so 5 should be shifted this side. It is 2a plus 9d is equal 125 upon 5, that is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. It is another equation, second equation. Now solve this first and second equation by any method you can follow. I have done by elimination method. By multiplying the first equation by 2, it is coming 2a plus 4d is equal to 30 and this one is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Eliminate a, so it is minus 5a is equal to 5, a d is equal minus 5d is equal to 5, d is equal to minus 1. Now substituting this value in equation 1 we get a10 is equal to 8 and a is equal to 17. Okay. Now fifth one is a has given, sorry, d is 5, s9 is equal to 75. So s9, this is the formula you have to take. s9 is equal n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 75. Now n upon 2, n9 upon 2 and it is 9 minus 1, 8 into 5, 40. Now it is coming a is equal to minus 35 upon 3. Now substitute this value of a at an. It is, I have gotten 85 upon 3. Hence a and a9 we have got these two values. Next question, a has given, d has given, Sn equal to 90. This is the formula we have to take. So Sn is equal to, this is equal to 90. Again substitute this value of a and d. We can get it a quadratic equation here. N upon 2, if you take a, here n upon multiply by n, it is 4n plus 8n square minus 8n. So minus 8n plus 4n minus 4n plus 8n square minus 180 is equal to 0. Now you take common factor of 4 minus 4. So it is 2n square minus 1 and it is minus 45. Now factorize it and it is coming n minus 5 and 2n plus 9. These two factors. If you take n minus 5, it is coming n minus 5 equal to 0, n is equal to 5. It is the positive value. And we know n always be positive and is a whole number, not a fractional number. So n we have got it 5. Another, if you take the second part of the factor, so it is n is equal minus 9 upon 2. It is negligible because neither be negative nor a fraction. So now hence a5 we have to find out. An we have to find out means a5. a5 is equal a plus 40, it is 34. Next is an has given, Sn has given. Again two formula we have got, an and Sn. An is equal to 62 means a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62. One value we have got it, n minus 1 into d is equal to 54. Now second one, Sn equal, till this much you will keep it. Sn equal to 210, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 210. Now put the value of n minus 1 into d that we have got from first equation. This one is equal to 54. You substitute 54 here. And a has given 8. N upon 2, 2 into 8 plus 54 is equal to this. From here we have got n is equal to 6. Okay. Now d and n we have got. Given an is equal to 4 and d is equal to, Sn is equal to minus 14. Again an and Sn, two formula. So an is equal to 4, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. So from here a is equal to, we have got a is equal to 6 minus 2n. Now Sn is equal to minus 14. So from here n formula is equal to minus 14. Substitute the value. Again here a is equal to n minus 2n. Instead of a we have to put a 6 minus 2a. Now you solve it. It is 12. These 2 and these 2 should cancel. Now it is 12, or no, it is multiplied directly because this part you have to calculate. 12 minus 4n plus 2n minus 2 is equal to minus 14. Next is n into 10 minus 2n is equal to minus 28. So it is coming n is equal to 7. Okay. So if n is equal to 7, another factors from another, it is a negative value, it is coming, it is rejected. So hence a is equal to, by the formula you can find it, a is equal to minus 8. Next is a, n and s. S means sum. 192 has given, find d. Sn has given, so Sn formula you have to write. Now substitute these values and d is equal to 6. Next, L is equal to 28. Last term, sum 144. And there are total 9 terms. N is 9. Find A. Again, these given terms has given terms. By given terms, we have to write the formula A9. Last term is L is 28. There are 9 terms. So A9 is equal to 28. A plus 80 is equal to 28. One equation, and another is S9. S9 is 9 upon 2. 2A plus 80 is equal to n minus 1 means 80 is equal 152. From here these two equation we have got. Now by solving these two equation we have got D is equal to 3 and A is equal to 4. So hence A we have got. Next question number 4. It is the last question of this part. How many terms of AP this must be taken to give a sum of 636. AP has given, sum has given 636. A, from this A, D 17 minus 9 is 8 and Sn is equal to this. Then Sn formula you have to write is equal to 636. Now substitute this value there. One quadratic equation I have got. Now this equation, if you factorize n minus 12 into 4n plus 53. So one factor is n minus 12 is equal to 0, n is equal to 12, and if you take it, it should be a negative and fractional. It is a rejected number. So number of terms is 12. Thank you very much. It was the last question.